There exists a number so large that counting it would exceed the age of the universe.
Even a small handful of sand contains billions of grains, far beyond direct counting. To manage large quantities, we group objects into units, pairs, dozens, and beyond. A mole is a fixed number of particles equal to 6.022140076, pays 10 to the power 23. This number is defined so that 12 grams of carbon-12 contains exactly 1 mole of atoms. Mole connects two worlds, atomic mass in AMU to measurable mass in grams. Just 18 grams of water contains 1 mole, or over 600 sectillion molecules. Counting 1 particle per second would take over 10 million billion years, far beyond cosmic time. At standard conditions, 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters. Chemical equations represent ratios, not just of molecules, but of moles in reaction. Moles are calculated by dividing mass by molar mass. Each mole contains 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles. The mole links measurable mass to particle count through consistent relationships. A mole is a counting unit defined through carbon-12 and used to connect mass and particles. The mole is not just a number. It is the bridge between the atomic world and measurement.